So much to learn about. It'll make you want to shout, Meekah!
Whoa! Woo! Hey everyone, it's me, Blippi, and look at where we're at today. Today we're at Southern California Children's Museum. Whoa! I love children's museums because you get to play around, yeah, and you get to learn at the same time. Woohoo! But first, I have someone really special to introduce you to.
Hey, Blippi!
Hey, Meekah!
Hi, everyone!
This is Meekah. She's my best friend.
Yeah, hey, Blippi, you're my best friend.
Oh, no, Meekah, you're my best friend. Check out where we're at.
Whoa, the Southern California Children's Museum. Cool.
Yeah, I'm so excited to show you around.
Oh, I can't wait. Let's go explore.
Yeah.
Come on.
What is this?
Hey, it looks like a big mountain.
Whoa, why don't I climb to the top?
Okay.
All right.
Good luck, Blippi.
Whoa.
Wow.
Look, I made it to the top of the mountain. Whoa.
Hey, you're up so high.
Yeah, and you're down so low.
Yep.
Wow, that's opposite.
That's right. High and low are opposites.
Whoa.
Ooh, I'm going to climb up now.
All right.
Here I go.
Whoa, some people climb mountains for fun.
That's right.
And that was fun, huh?
Yeah, that was really fun.
All right,
Whoa.
I'm gonna go down.
Okay, ready?
Yep. Wow, that was awesome.
Hey.
Whoa, what is this?
Whoa.
Whoa.
It's like being in a bunch of spaghetti.
Whoa, yum, I love spaghetti. Whoa, and look, it's like I'm an ant.
Whoa. Or look, I'm playing a flute.
Whoa! Woo! Or a telescope to look into the night sky.
What do you see up there?
A lot of stars.
Wow.
Whoa!
So cool.
Yeah! Whoa!
What is this?
Huh? Looks like. Whoa! You push on the back side, and then things come out the front side.
Wow, that's really fun.
Yeah!
Hey, I know.
What?
Do you know what this is? Check out the other side.
Okay. It's the number 1.
Yup.
Whoa! Look! It's the number 2. Wow, Meekah!
Yeah.
You did the number 3.
Yeah, do you want to try?
Sure.
4. And what comes after 4? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah! Woo!
Wow.
Check it out! Whoa, a sandbox!
This is so cool.
Yeah! Ooh, look, a dump truck. Yeah, we could put a lot of sand in here and dump it out.
Ooh, let's try it.
All right, here we go. Load it up.
Here's some sand for you, truck.
Yeah!
Okay.
All right, you want to hold the funnel?
Yeah.
All right, 3, 2, 1. Whoa! Now look, it's coming out the bottom. Whoa, let's do it again.
Yeah, that was fun.
All right.
Maybe cover this truck this time.
Okay, let's cover the truck. 3, 2, 1. Whoa! Check it out.
Whoa. Sand bath.
All right, start the engine.
Hey, don't forget me.
Oh, you can plow a road for me.
I'm trying my best.
Whoa! I love sandboxes.
Hey, what's over here?
Whoa! It's like the same, but with fake snow.
Yeah, check it out. It's white, it looks fluffy. I wonder what it feels like.
Yeah. Whoa!
It's cold
I know.
and squishy.
Yeah. Must be how you make it. You must make it with water.
Yeah, I bet you're right, Blippi.
Whoa!
It looks just like real snow.
Whoa! Makes me cold. Brr, just thinking about it.
So pretty.
Whoa! Yeah, look at this. It's like a snow plow.
Whoa!
No, it's snowing. Whoa!
Whoa, it's a blizzard.
Whoa! I'm trying to get to work, but the snow's in the way. Whoa!
Whoa!
All right. Wow, what else do we have here?
Let's
Wow.
see.
Do you have tickets to our puppet show? All right.
Hello! How are you?
Oh, hello.
Oh, hey friend, what are you doing today?
Oh, I was just going to the store.
Oh, what'd you buy at the store?
Oh, I bought some fruit and vegetables.
Yum! I love healthy food. Yum, 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 yum.
You want to come over later and have dinner?
Yes, please! Yeah!
Whoa, yeah!
That was fun.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Whoa.
Wow.
Whoa. What is this?
Look, it looks like a person.
Yeah, kind of like a doll.
Yeah.
Hello.
And there's all these ropes.
Yeah.
They go all the way up to the ceiling.
Whoa. Oh yeah, look over there.
And back down on this side.
Huh, what do they
I
do?
don't know. Should I try and pull one and see what happens?
Yeah.
Yay.
Whoa. Oh, I get it. This puppet's limbs are connected with these ropes. And then when you pull it, the puppet moves.
That's so fun.
Are you thinking what I'm thinking?
Yes.
Puppet dance party! Yeah! All right, your turn to dance.
Okay, get ready to dance,
Are
partner.
you ready, Meekah?
Yeah. Wow.
Wow, check it out, Meekah.
Whoa, look at all of these cars.
Wow, they're so colorful.
Yeah.
Woo, and look, a ramp.
Whoa, that means we can race.
Yeah! Maybe we should pick out some cars.
Ooh, good idea. How many should we pick out?
How about 3?
Ooh, okay.
All right.
Cars.
Hey, which cars are you gonna pick?
Oh, I like this one because it's purple and I love purple.
Oh yeah! Ooh, and I'll pick this one because it's orange, one of my 2 favorite colors.
Oh, I also like this yellow one because I love yellow too.
Wow, good choice. Oh, and look, a blue car. Now I have my 2 favorite colors, orange and blue.
Yeah. Okay, let's see. One more. How about this one? It's 2 colors, red and blue.
Wow, cool. Ooh, and I'm gonna pick this really big, heavy green one because maybe the weight will help it go down quicker.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Wow, shall we race?
Yeah, let's do it.
All right, which car are you gonna use first?
I'm gonna use purple first, my favorite.
All right, I'm gonna use orange.
Okay,
All right.
here goes our favorite colors.
Are you ready?
Yep.
3, 2, 1, go!
Oh,
Whoa! Yeah! Good job, Meekah!
thanks, Blippi.
You won the first round.
Yeah.
All right.
Race number 2. Which one?
I'm gonna use my blue car.
Okay, I'm gonna use the red and blue one.
All right. Are you ready?
Yep.
3, 2, 1, go!
Oh.
Whoa! Yeah! That was awesome!
Good job, Blippi.
Thanks, Meekah. All right, it's 1-1, and we have 1 vehicle left.
That's right. Okay.
All right.
The yellow car and the green car.
All right, are you ready?
Yep.
3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, look, it's still going.
Whoa! Yeah!
That yellow one was really slow.
That's okay. That was still fun, though,
Yeah,
right?
it was so fun.
All right. Whoa! Whoa!
Look at this, Blippi. A super colorful train track.
Wow, it's the colors of a rainbow!
Yeah, I love it.
Ooh, and look in here! Wow, we have a locomotive!
That's right.
That's where the engine of the train is.
Yep.
Yeah, the front. Whoa, there we
There's
go.
a bunch of train cars in here too.
Hmm.
What about this green one could go next?
Oh, yeah! Whoa. Wait, whoa! Did you see that?
Yeah, it's magnetic. That side made it go away, and that one makes it stick together.
Oh yeah, you're right, Meekah. Ooh, maybe we can add another one then.
Ooh, blue.
Whoa, there it goes. Okay, there we go. There, it connects.
Cool, and then, it needs a red caboose.
Oh yeah, the caboose goes at the end of the train. Whoa.
Nice.
All right, here we go. Chugga, 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 choo, choo.
Chugga, 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 choo, choo. Whoa!
Yeah, Meekah! Wow, this is awesome!
Yeah, this place is fun.
Whoa!
Wow.
Yeah, check it out. We have some paint and balloons.
Yeah, look at all of these wonderful colors.
Whoa! Looks like we have purple.
Yep, and red,
Whoa! And green.
and orange,
And yellow.
and blue.
Whoa! What should we do, Meekah?
Well, we can use these balloons, dab them in the paint, and make a beautiful picture.
That's a great idea. Now, let's make some art.
Yeah!
All right, I'm gonna take an orange balloon.
I'm gonna take a purple.
Dab
Okay,
it
let's
in
see.
the purple paint.
Then dab it
Whoa.
in the blue.
Whoa, check that out.
Whoa.
Whoa, cool.
Yeah.
All right. Now I'll take another balloon, blue balloon, put it in green right here. All right, here we go. Whoa, good job, Meekah.
Thanks, I made a smiley face. See? 2 eyes and a nice smile.
Whoa. Ooh, check this out. I'm gonna take a green balloon, dip it in some yellow, and I'm gonna make a B for Blippi.
Oh,
There we go.
nice job, Blippi.
Whoa, thank you. Whoa, what are you gonna do?
Let's see, I have orange, which is one of your favorite colors. Maybe I'm gonna make a little tongue on my silly smiley face. Now the face looks messy.
Messy and silly, just like you and me.
That's right.
All right, how about let's mix some colors?
Oh, that's a good idea.
How about, maybe we can mix yellow and,
Blue.
wow, I wonder what color that'll make.
Yeah, let's see.
All right. Whoa! We made green! Yeah!
So cool.
Whoa! Let's go!
Yeah. Whoa. I see a big whale.
What? You see a whale?
Yep.
Wow, that's so cool! We're on a lifeguard stand at the ocean.
Yeah.
What else do you see?
I see a couple of dolphins.
You do?
Yeah.
2 of them?
Yep.
Wow, that is so cool!
Yeah.
Whoa! Looks like there's some surfers right out there.
Hey, you're right.
Shall we go surfing?
Yes, let's go.
Woohoo!
Wow, check out the ocean.
Whoa! It's like we're on a wave.
Whoa.
Looks like we have a surfboard.
Cool surfboard,
Whoa!
Blippi. Whoa.
Whoa!
How did you do that?
I'm catching a wave. Whoa! Yeah, Meekah, you're doing it too.
Look out, there's a really big wave right there.
Whoa! Keep your balance. Don't fall. Yeah, Meekah.
Wow, Blippi, look at all of this.
Cool. It's a campsite.
Yeah, you have everything you need to go camping.
Yeah, looks like we have a tent right here.
Cozy.
Yeah. Ooh, look.
A nice chair to relax in next to the fire.
We'll start that later. And look,
Wow, a picnic table.
that's a perfect place to have some dinner.
Oh, should we make some dinner right now?
Yeah, what do we have?
Let's take a look.
Let's
see.
Wow.
Ooh, we could have pancakes.
Whoa, yum. or a tomato and a carrot.
Ooh, there's also corn on the cob.
Whoa, yum! Ooh, looks like a plum.
Yummy.
Whoa! Ooh, some salsa.
Whoa.
Whoa!
That's funny.
Okay, what should we make?
Ooh, there's hot dogs, tacos. There's a lot of good food in here.
Yeah, I have an idea. Why don't we barbecue some corn?
Yeah, that's a great idea.
One piece for you.
Thank you.
One piece for me.
All right. Oh, and there's some tools over here.
Oh,
There's some
yeah.
kitchen utensils for the grill.
All right. Thank you. All right.
Let's go.
Here we go. All right.
Smells so good.
Yeah. Looks like we already have some butter on it.
Ooh.
Mm.
Ooh, let's turn them over.
All right.
Get the other side.
There we go. Should we shake it a little? Ooh. Yep.
Ooh, I love food on the grill.
I'll go grab the plates.
Okay.
I'll be right back. All right.
Oh,
Here's
thank
the plates. You want to dish it up?
Yeah.
All right.
One for you.
Ooh, thank
And
you.
one for me.
Ooh, yellow corn on the cob on a yellow plate. And
Bon
yours is a green plate.
Yep.
All right. Wow. I'm so thankful that you and I are having dinner together as best friends.
No, me too.
All right, dig in. Yum! I love vegetables.
Me too, especially corn.
Yeah. Well, since we're done with dinner, shall we make s'mores?
Yes, I love s'mores for dessert. Come on. Okay.
All right.
There's a fire.
Okay, let me start it. Okay. Whoa! Cool.
Good job, Blippi.
All right. Can I sit right here?
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
Here,
thank
let me
you.
get some marshmallows out.
All right. Oh,
Here's a
thank
bag
you.
of marshmallows.
Put it on my stick.
Okay.
All right. Thank you. Oh, wow. Oh, looks like mine is ready.
Mine too.
All right.
Let's try it.
I love camping because I always make s'mores after a healthy dinner.
Yeah, they're so yummy. Oh, I want to check out this tent.
All right.
Wow, look, there's a nice cozy blanket on top. Let's see. Ooh, tents are so cool. Check it out. It's nice and cozy in here, and it's kind of dark, and I have this nice blanket. Woo! Actually, I'm getting kind of tired being in here. Maybe I'll just lay down for a minute. My belly's nice and full. The night sky is here. Yeah, I think I'll just take a little rest.
It sounds like she's snoring.
That is so silly.
I guess we should probably be quiet so then she can sleep. But it is so nice just enjoying the night sky, seeing the stars out in nature. Wow, I love nature. What a beautiful night. A shooting star. Woo! That was so much fun!
Yeah, what a fun day!
Yeah, I love children's museums because you get to play and learn.
Yeah, exactly. We learned so many things today, and we got to use our imagination.
Yeah. Well, this is the end of this video. But if you want to watch more of my videos, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me?
Yeah.
B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi! Good job. Wait a second. Meekah, how do you spell your name?
Oh, I'll show you. M-E-E-K-A-H. Meekah.
Wow, awesome. All right, see you soon.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.
Come on, everyone. Let's make learning fun. Meekah, Meekah. So much to learn about. It'll make you want to shout, Meekah!